So Google finally did it. They added Android TV. Oops, I'm sorry. They added Google TV to Chromecast. Let's check it out. So Google TV isn't anything new. It was originally out in 2010. And around that time, I cut the cord, got rid of cable, and I was rocking the Logitech Google TV that came with like the keyboard. I thought I was killing the game when that was out. Then 2 years later, Google TV kind of like died off and they rebranded it to Android TV and dropped the first Chromecast, and that thing was a straight up hit. Ever since then, they came out with like I think another version of the Chromecast, then the Chromecast Ultra with 4K, and now we are here in 2020, and we have Google TV is back again since the rebranding of Android TV. Now it's Google TV back again. Google can't keep up with the names. They keep rebranding stuff. You see what they're doing with Nest. Anyway, yeah, Chromecast is back again. This time around with a remote controller, rebranded to Google TV. And I'm very hyped about this. When Chromecast was first announced, I really wish it came with a remote and a UI and all of that. It took a couple years for Google to finally get around there, but we here now. All right, so let's jump into this unboxing. What do we have? This is the box. Nothing crazy. I mean, it's Android, HD, 4K, HDR built in. Got all the apps. I mean, any streaming app you would possibly want, it should be on here. That's another reason why I like to rock with Chromecast and Android. Nothing else around this box. Let's just chop it open. Bring out the knife. A little slit. Peel off this little plastic. Alright. So let's see. Do we have an easy open, or are you gonna make me work for it? Oh, it's actually nice packaging. That Chromecast right here on the left side. Actually did a good job with the packaging. I don't remember how the original Chromecast came packaged, but I doubt it was this good. Still small, a little flatter. HDMI, USB-C. I'm glad they included USB-C. It's something I just feel like if you don't have USB-C, I really don't want it. Hey, you know what I know is missing? It's missing that little magnet that used to like hold this on here. It was never useful, but whatever. All right, what else is in here? The remote controller on the right side. Packaging is pretty nice. It's real small too. So we got like the little D-pad, the back button, the Google Assistant button, home, volume. Got a YouTube and a Netflix. I know all the Disney Plus people out there like, where's the Disney Plus? But I mean, the main thing to go to is YouTube and Netflix, so it makes sense to have a dedicated button for it. And I think it's the same way on the Android TV. I have an Android TV right now that's built into my Sony TV, and I know it has a dedicated Netflix button, but I'm not sure about YouTube. All right, so look like you can switch inputs with this and power it off, which I guess you need to power it off. Is there a battery in here? All right, no batteries. Let's see what's in the box. I hope it came with batteries. Getting started guide. Don't care about that. Here goes the charging brick. And they're gonna make this hard for to get out. All right, here we go. Charging brick. How much watts on here? I don't know, but this thing shouldn't require too much power to charge. I mean, you don't need like any quick charge or anything, so I'm pretty sure it's probably like a 5-volt. Got a pretty sturdy charging cable. It's actually good. USB-C to regular USB-A. Cable cord feels pretty good. Oh, here goes the batteries hiding in here. Oh, get out, get out. Nothing else in the box. All right, just throw all this to the side. Got some batteries. Drop those in there later, but that's really it that comes in the box. I mean, I ain't expect anything crazy more to come in the box, but yeah, looks good. I like this new design. Come to think about it, actually, let's compare it to some of the older designs. So this is the original Chromecast. I had this for, I think this is originally purchased back in like 2012. Just looking at how the design changed over the years. And this is like the magnet I was talking about. Like all the Chromecasts had this magnet, kind of like sticks to the back. It won't stick to the back and fit in the HDMI port at the same time, so I don't really know. But it's also had like regular USB. This kind of look like a Beats logo. What about, so this is the Chromecast Ultra. This is the one that came with my Google Stadia. It has HD built in, so this is probably like the closest to this one, other than the fact that this is literally just a Chromecast with no Stadia, no UI built in. But this is the only one right now that works with Stadia. This doesn't have Stadia support, which is kind of disappointing that it didn't come with Stadia already working. But supposedly it's possible that you can sideload the Stadia app to this. I'm gonna try that out in a later time. Also, not happy that this didn't come with Ethernet built in. But with the slim design, it would be kind of hard to add a USB. But there is an additional power brick you can get that has it's similar to what's that came with the Stadia power brick, where you can have the Ethernet in the power brick and the data and power runs through the USB-C cable. Yeah, so it's not really much else. I'll throw the batteries in, but I'm gonna go hook this up and check out the UI, see what it is. Be right back. I'm finally in there. All right, let's see for me. Okay. It's just as responsive as I would say my normal Android TV. Let's jump in. YouTube. Alright, stuff is taking this sweet time to load. I went to open the YouTube app and things just look like it crashed. Let's try this one more time. Alright, we back in there. 4K video. What the hell is this? Alright, let's look at it. Maybe I should be paying my own stuff. Okay, looks like the YouTube app keeps crashing and the OS keep restarting. Alright, let's try the Google Assistant. What's the weather? Oh, I think I need to hold it. What's the weather?
Right now in East Point, it's 47 degrees and clear.
Show front camera.
All right, streaming front yard on living room TV 2.
All right, so that works. You see my Nest cameras. I feel like the responsiveness is just the same level of like the Android TV. I take that back. This looks like it's zipping around now than what it was doing before. Maybe things were still loading. Yeah, it's moving. Just to do a quick comparison, this is what, let me switch my input. This is the Android TV experience. This is built into my Sony TV. And you can see it's not slow, but it's less responsive than what I was experiencing with the Google TV. But sometimes it's a little unresponsive, but yeah, so you can see like the UI is completely different on the Android TV versus what the Google TV has. But I mean, it works. Yeah, so this UI looks much better and it's way snappier than what I was just experiencing with Android TV. Alright, let me shut it down. I think I've seen enough. Google really knocked it out the park with this one. Coming in at $50, this is amazing value. The OS experience was really snappy and fast. It had a little hiccups, like when I first set everything up, it was like really laggy. It didn't seem much faster than the Android TV running on my Sony. It didn't really seem any faster, and it seemed like the apps was crashing at the first, but after using it for a while, things got really snappy. The apps was moving. I love that it had Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision. Picture looks good. The controls was working. Everything was just really snappy. I was down at first, but it bounced back once everything like got fully set up. But the setup process was really long, like really long. I wish it had Google Stadia on there, but I'm gonna try to side load it. Wish it had Ethernet came with it out of the box, but probably gonna try one of those USB-C dongles and run my own power and cook Ethernet through there. But overall, I think this is a win. I see why it sold out so fast. I might get another one. I can't wait till Google updates all the Android TVs to Google TV, because that UI and that experience is much better than what Android TV is offering right now. But that's it. I appreciate everyone for watching. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification icon if you want to get notified as soon as I drop a video. That's all I got for y'all today. I'm out.